Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You think getting past a few power-addled elves means you can stand against a true son of the Legion?
Brand 2.
Feed my hunger, wretch.
Good.
Fester and die!
Brand. Good delay on the right side. Nice.
Feed my hunger,
Take this one.
wretch. Witness
Echoes.
your end.
Done.
Fester and die!
Brand 5. Brand. Explode right side.
Feed my hunger,
Remember.
wretch.
Keep this one coming. Add.
Fester and die!
Alright, good. Brandon 5.
We'll fix it
Feed
now.
my hunger, wretch.
6. Echoes coming now.
The light
40
has
seconds.
abandoned you.
You know what you can do, Swag? Like in last phase, take the bloods I took as well. So I have only the guys with the debuff, and you have the bloods.
You're putting
So
me
we
to
spread the bit of
sleep.
damage.
Here,
Stack in the middle, guys. Damage is good on the ball. Better than before.
I didn't understand that.
The bloods I took before, like the second or third row of bloods. So you take that as well instead of...
Yeah, I will.
Keep killing ads, guys. 16. Need more. 22. Get your buffs. Get your buffs. 23. 20. Good. Brandon 4.
feed my hunger, wretch.
Seekers.
Evidence of finance.
Get in here!
Item buff.
Fester and die!
You got. Brand.
Feed my hunger, wretch.
Seekers 1. Stay alive.
Witness your
Rescue that when he dies. Yeah, take it after. Good.
fester and die.
Brand.
Show these pretenders how to fight.
Don't forget to get us.
Have a double ad.
Feed my hunger, wretch.
Seekers 1.
Fester and die.
Brandon 6. Last one of this phase. Boss damage is good. Focus up. Seekers 1 is 6.
Feed my hunger, wretch.
Seekers 1. Echoes after. Alright. Get the ads down.
He
says
Echoes coming.
It's just
Item
one.
buff.
Witness your end.
On with the Crusade on the eastern
You're
map.
putting me to sleep.
No,
No,
just
no.
Let me
stand in the middle, guys.
favor.
Oh my god, I forgot. I am soaking the first one, yeah?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get in the middle, guys. Really need to nuke this. Really need to nuke. Need to be a bit quicker. 6, 10 kills. 12, 15, 16. Come on, more. 22. Cut the buff. Alright, one dead. Rest. It's good. It's good enough.
Second push.
Yes, everything on this one. Come on. Brand, come. Focus. Right side first. Come on,
don't break,
Don't break.
Oh, don't break. Yeah, that's my bad. That's good job reminding me.
Everyone else now. Mr. Right if you can.
For that.
Fester and die.
Alright, Brand's in 3. Remember, don't break.
Feed my hunger, wretch.
Kill these. Last one we kill. Seeker
Totem.
Swarm.
Totem.
Seeker Swarm.
Show these
Alright,
pretenders
Echo, get behind.
how to
Get
fight.
behind. And boss damage for the rest of the fight.
Ink.
Yeah, you can
Another
ank, you can ank.
Fester and die.
You cannot rest.
Get up the
if
head,
you
Spike,
want.
get up the head. I was
Ignore
doing
the
it.
ad. Get away from the circle. Get away from the Seeker Swarm.
And boss if you can now.
Feed my hunger, wretch.
Seeker Swarm 3.
Holy sec.
Seeker Swarm.
Another
Keep going.
to fester and die.
Get out of the circle. Brand, don't break. Don't break. Personal cool. Shielding cooler. You cannot
Feed
red.
my
Yeah,
hunger,
keep going.
wretch.
Just stay spread. Fuck the Seeker Swarm. One person gonna die. It's okay. Just nuke the boss. Just nuke the boss. Nuke the boss.
I'm dead.
Stay spread. Stay spread.
The light has abandoned you.
Get behind.
Be thankful.
Come on. Yeah.
Yeah!
And legendary.
That's a
Whoever popped me, thank you for the pop, man.
That was me.
The ass on my fucking tail.